Oh, do it again.
Istanbul, people. In our little cozy bachelor suite. The Istanbul Hotel. 12-hour plus car ride to get here. Mission impossible, folks. And now we're gonna
leave.
Get some food and check out Istanbul.
Ready to go.
Walking up to the terrace. Downing the beach. Cheers. Cheers to
Watching the eyes.
Okay, people. Never mind. I did not sleep.
Did it?
We're going food coma. Where's the little cook? Okay. Oh yeah, are you ready? Are you ready for kebab? What's inside, folks?
Can you not do? Well, that's what.
Sofia? Meet Eye of Sofia. Apparently it used to be an Orthodox church and then it was converted, so we're gonna get some history. Putty cats everywhere.
They keep like good food too.
Yeah, alright folks, this is where it gets interesting. You come to Turk, where you lose your shirt, guys. Designer bags.
I tried it, I'm too scared to take a...
Being a little funny, because I feel like I just got raped in there. Funny? Why? I feel a little more brisk almost, because my wallet is empty.
Been successful.
Okay, gotta keep your wifey happy too. So, that's what you gotta do, boys. They take everything. We're at the must. The muck. She has no idea where she is. What do you think?
It's very nice in here actually. Everything is very authentic. I think it's for me.
The must special, people.
Get out of the way.
Of, I guess, Times Square.
It's very nice. You can hear all the birds.
And Belgrade.
Hear the birds. It's very nice. They sell lots of candy, popcorn, everything. The ice cream where they trick you, they sell that. It's very nice.
We'll be getting that ice cream, some Turkish coffee, and delights. And for the boats, I think a prayer just started too. People everywhere. If you're ADD, this is the place for you. That's the crosswalk.
Oh my god. I'm serious.
This one's panicking. Cookie's like right at home.
Cookie's like, yep.
It's like, I need this in my life. All these humans.
3 minutos.
Police presence as well, just in case.
Did you catch that?
So much stuff to see here. Stuffed dog. Okay, Cookie. Hey, we'll say if Cookie's not good, she's gonna end up like that stuffed animal. Cookie, you see that?
Boom.
We're everywhere. and nowhere at the same time. And we don't know where we are, but we're just wandering. I guess we all look like a bunch of tourists, eh? Phones in hands. People's not suspicious at all. Subtle tourist thing you can wear. Watch out for flying boxes in Istanbul. Watch out, scooter. Workout. Okay, let's see how this thing, guys. It's like andale pendejo. It was very nice. Frida is in Turkey. Scenic cafe. Let's see where we end up.